नमस्ते बच्चों, हम अब पाठ 5 बूंद बूंद बचाओ पढ़ेंगे। Shall we go to the lesson now? Okay. हाँ, यहाँ देखो, बूंद बूंद बचाओ. So even every drops you want to save drops. What the drops? Drops of water. Okay, we can go to the, okay. How we are getting the water? How we are all getting the water? Yes, from lakes, ponds, rivers, and then sea water, ground water, isn't it? ये सब हमको मिलता है. झील, लेक को हम झील कहते हैं और सागर को हम सी कहते हैं. उसके बाद ग्राउंड को जूल कहते हैं. ये सब हमको पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? हाँ, हम सबको भी पानी जिंदगी में बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. Not only for us, even for पेड़ पौधों, that means plants, trees, पक्षियों means birds, animals means जानवर, सबको भी पानी बहुत जरूरी है. It's very important for us. So what we want to do? We want to save water. So we should not waste water, isn't it? So we should not waste water. We want to save water. And then even the small birds, insects, living things, everyone needs water. So how we want to save the water? So by this story we can see one lesson is here about that, how the boy is what he is doing here, and what are the instructions were given to him, and how he is following everything. Okay, yes. Now shall we go to the lesson? यहाँ देखिए, सुबह का समय था. सुबह का समय. What is subah? Subah means morning. That was an early morning. Aman means this boy name is Aman. Bistar se utha. Bistar means he wake up from the bed. Bistar means from the bed. और नल खोलकर मंजन करने लगा. Nal means tap. खोलकर, opened the tap and he started to brush the teeth. Manjan means brushing the teeth. वह काफी देर से मंजन कर रहा था. He was keep on brushing the teeth for more than 5 minutes. लेकिन फिर भी उसने नल बंद नहीं किया. But then also he didn't close his tap. देखते ही देखते टंकी का सारा पानी खत्म हो गया. That means by seeing all this, what happens? He was keep on opening the tap and keep on brushing the teeth. So what happened? Tanki means the tank water, full of water in the tank. It got empty. So जब पानी से खुला करने का समय आया, then he think, okay, we want to gargle our his mouth. So he started what he did. तो नल से पानी ही नहीं आया. He want to gargle his mouth. So what he thought, he want to open and he opened the tap again, but water is not there. तब वह दादाजी के पास गया और बोला. Suddenly he thought, your water is not coming. What to do? How can I brush my teeth? I want to wash my mouth, everything. What to do now? Water is not there. So what he thought, he suddenly went to his grandfather. Tab Dadaji ke paas means he went near to the Dadaji. Dadaji means grandfather. Aur bola, and told what he said. He said, Dadaji, nal mein pani. See, Aman is talking. See, for them, it is becoming conversation here. See, Aman talking, and then Dadaji, again Dadaji, like this. Conversation is going between them. So we can listen carefully or listen the lesson words by words. To know the meaning, it will be very interesting. दादाजी, नल में पानी नहीं आ रहा. अब क्या करूं? मुझे तो स्कूल के लिए देर हो रही है. He is telling to his grandfather, दादाजी, नल में पानी नहीं आ रहा. From the tap, water is not coming. क्या करूं? What to do? क्या means what करूं means to do. मुझे तो स्कूल के लिए देर हो रही है. For me, it is getting late. Okay. Now दादाजी, तुम जरूर नल खोलकर मंजन कर रहे होगे. You want to तुम जरूर नल खोलकर मंजन कर रहे होगे. You want to open the tap. I think you opened the tap and you started to brush the teeth. तभी तो पानी चला गया. तभी तो I think you opened the tap and brushing the teeth. That's why all the water gone. So यह सुनकर अमन ने अपने सिर झुका लिया. See in the bracket, यह सुनकर, by hearing this, he suddenly bent his head down. Yes, he felt sorry for that. What he did, it is correct. What grandfather said, it is correct. So that he started, yes, it is. He bent his head. Okay. Again दादाजी, मैं जानता था. I know, यही किया होगा. कितनी बार समझाया, पहले मंजन करो, फिर नल खोलकर कुल्ला, पर तुम्हारी समझ में नहीं आता. मैं जानता था, यही किया होगा. मैं जानता था. I know what you did. This only was happened. How many times I make you to understand? पहले मंजन करो, फिर नल खोलकर कुल्ला. First you brush the teeth, afterwards you open the tap, and then you gargle that. पर तुम्हारी समझ में नहीं आता. But you are not at all understanding what I said. You are doing the same thing every day. Then Aman saying, पर दादाजी, मैं तो प्रतिदिन ही ऐसा करता हूँ, तब तो पानी नहीं गया. See, पर दादाजी, okay दादाजी, okay grandfather. Every day, pratidin means every day I'm doing the same like this. But on that time and all, the water is not got empty. Every day the water will keep on coming, he said. Then for that, Dadaji is replying, okay, tab tanki bari hogi. When you are doing at that time, it will be full water on the tank. Isliye means so pani nahi gaya hoga. So pani nahi gaya. That's why the waters it was there. अगर यूं ही करते रहे तो कभी पानी नहीं मिलेगा. Every time if you keep on doing like this, you will not get water, because groundwater will be empty, river will be empty, everything. You, not only you, like you, many person will do like this, no? So that's why what you want to do, you want to close the tap and then you want to brush the teeth. The water will be going on, that he is brushing the teeth, means what, the water is wasting only, no? So that's why he is making him to understand. Aman, दादाजी, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? ओके दादाजी, what I want to do for this? दादाजी saying, बेटा पानी को सोच समझकर खर्च करो. See, think and you think and use the water. So मुंह हाथ धोते समय या नहाते समय बाल्टी और डिब्बे का प्रयोग करो. See here, while brushing your teeth and for that, see, muha hath dhote samay means while washing your face, washing your hands, and then nahate while taking bath. What you want to do, you have to fill the water in the bucket. Balti means bucket, dibbe means mug, some box or something. Dibbe means like mug or jug. Prayog karo. You use that bucket and mug. So फवारे का नहीं, you should not use shower. So what happened, उसमें ज्यादा पानी खराब होता है, so it will be wasted. If you use the shower, it will be wasted. So please don't waste the water further. So Aman suddenly Aman saying, पर लोग तो अपनी कार तथा स्कूटर भी पाइप लगाकर धोते हैं. See here, पर लोग, see here next line, पर लोग तो अपनी कार तथा स्कूटर भी पाइप लगाकर धोते हैं. So what is Aman saying? But per means but, log, what is the meaning for log? People. Log, people, apni, theirs car, tata means and, car and scooter, they are washing their car and scooter in the pipe. The pipe, what you have you seen the lengthy tube pipe there? What will they do? They'll flow the water in the pipe like this, and they will wash the scooter and car. So how many water it is wasting? So तब दादाजी ने कहा दादाजी saying बेटा ये लोग गलत करते हैं. See, people are doing very wrong. They should not use pipe for washing the car and scooter. अगर यूं ही पानी खराब होता रहा, अगर otherwise it is always making पानी खराब होता रहा तो एक दिन हम सबको पछताना पड़ेगा. See, every time if they waste the water like this, we want to suffer for that. पछताना means अपनी गलत पर दुखी होना. अयो, what we have done, it is very wrong. See, we wasted water more. That's why the tank was empty. So if they will suffer for that. अमन, जहां भी तुम्हें नल खुला या टपकता मिले उसे बंद कर दो. See, wherever you see whether the water is keep on going somewhere or opening the tap like this, suddenly you want to do, you go and close the tap. जितना आवश्यक हो उतना ही पानी लो. However, if you are drinking water for 2 sip or 1 glass means that only you have to drink. Half glass you are drinking extra or half glass you are keeping as it is, no one will drink. They will put down and again they will fill. So the glass of water will be wasted. So this is the example also I'm saying for drinking water, where whatever water you want, that level water only you want to fill. Okay, Aman. For school, but in school, what about he is asking, दादाजी वहां तो जाना ही है. Yes, you want to go school also. उधर मैंने ठंडा पानी की 2 बाल्टियां भर रखी है. See, already it will be happening like this sometimes, no? So what I did, I filled 2 buckets of water there. So बूंद बूंद कीमती है. Even drops of water, sorry, एक से पानी ले लो, लेकिन एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखना, एक से पानी ले लो. Take from 1 bucket and you take it for everything. लेकिन also, but एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखना. You want to keep in your mind, पानी की बूंद बूंद कीमती है. So what is the meaning for that? You want to it is very very important. Whatever you are using, 1 drop of water also, पानी की बूंद बूंद means water drops of water is very very important. So school जाने को तो लाभ तभी होगा. Then only लाभ means benefit. Our school जाने का तो लाभ तभी होगा जब तुम हवा, पानी और पेड़ पौधों की सुरक्षा करनी सीखोगे. See, then only while you are going to school, no. What is the benefit of going to school? To learn. You learn all the good things from the school. So from the subject, see how good it is given in this lesson about water. You understood how to keep safe water, how to use the water and how we want to open the tap, when we want to close the tap, and what are the uses for that. Everything you come to know about this lesson. So where you are learning everything from the subjects, from the book. So this only benefit you're getting from the school. So not only water, even hawa, pani or paid, you want to keep safety for air and pure, and then water. Paid paudo means trees and plants. You want to keep safety, everything. You want to learn from the school. Okay. Aman ne sir halakar हामी bari और नहाने चला गया. So what happened? He understood. Okay, Dadaji. He happily shook his head, and then he went to bath. Okay. हम सबको कब पछताना पड़ेगा. Okay. These all the questions will be asked orally in the classes. Okay, बच्चों, अब ये पाठ खत्म हुआ.